Napoleon Hill defines a mastermind as the coordination of knowledge and effort of two or more people who work towards a definite purpose in the spirit of harmony. My name is Jeff Mills, and I want to invite you to our next Business Building Mastermind Workshop. What Ryan and I want to do is simply invite you to stop flying solo and invite you to join us at our next Coast to Coast Mastermind Workshop. It's taking place in cities all across America, and you can get more information, of course, on this page in the links below. But consider what a Mastermind Workshop can do for you. This workshop is for men and women who want to go from zero to hero and start making $10,000 a month in 90 days. And we're going to show you a step-by-step system that we use that really breaks down 3 processes that we use to sell products on our websites. We're going to teach you how to build an e-commerce website store with a platform called Shopify. And then we're going to teach you how to drive Facebook ads to that e-commerce store so you can make sales of your products. And then for those of you wondering, well, I don't have anything to sell, we're going to teach you how to tap into AliExpress, which is the biggest drop shipping platform in the world, and how you can have products put into your Shopify store and sent from your store right to people's door without ever touching a product yourself.
It's a workshop style, so he held our hands, Ryan and Jeff, through the whole process. It wasn't just information and do it later. It was literally going through one step at a time until we got that mastered. We go on to the next step, we'll get that mastered, and all the configurations. So by the end of the actual session, we'd have a Shopify account all set up.
Anyone thinking about coming to the seminar and they have some second thoughts about it, please forget about it.
And I'm here with Jeff Mills and Ryan Allaire in Orlando Mastermind, and I would encourage anybody to attend if at all possible. This is my second one. You'll find one-on-one training, which is just priceless. These guys really seem to care.
Coming from a guy who spent probably tens of thousands of dollars on education, and it's all been worth it. I mean, I have a lot of knowledge. This is the most bang for your buck. This is something that's really going to get you to the point that you're actually going to recoup that money. You've actually built a business for yourself, and I've owned all kinds of real estate and residential and franchises, hotel franchises, restaurants. There's a lot of big investments to actually be an entrepreneur. But this is something that you can have a viable business, and you just can't beat the price and the amount of care that they have to really get you on that road to success.
The reason I wanted to come to this is that I've kind of come to a plateau in what I was doing.
What happens is when you're trying to do something like this on your own, there's going to be a lot of stumbling blocks. You won't know what to do. Ryan and Jeff will help you through those stumbling blocks, help you to get set up quickly without running into any problems that are going to stop you from moving forward and ultimately achieving the goals that you want.
For anyone that's thinking about attending the Mastermind training, it is a fabulous course, well worth all your expense and all your time, so don't hesitate, do it.
Hey guys, this is Ryan Allaire, and Jeff Mills and I are excited to help a small amount of people at our next exclusive 2-day Mastermind Workshop. We're here to help you crack the code to making money in your own e-commerce business while making awesome connections with others who have the same goals as you. You'll leave our Mastermind Workshop with an easy-to-follow training manual. And even better yet, you'll have your business all set up, ready to take sales. All your delicious meals are included, and you'll enjoy networking with like-minded people around the table. All you have to do is fill out 6 simple questions below this video, and Jeff and I will contact you back ASAP and see if you qualify for one of our special scholarships. The one thing we ask is for you to take this very serious, as this is your financial future we're talking about. So if you're an action taker, which I know you are, it's why you're still watching this video, simply fill out the form below and claim your scholarship right now. We want to make this your best year yet, and we look forward to you joining us soon at our next Mastermind. So fill out that scholarship application right now and we'll be in touch.